describe in it. Keep in mind that you're not to communicate with anybody else that you know to be associated with the case. And again, you will see them in the hallways and in the elevators, in which you promised you would well and truly try the issues between the Commonwealth and this defendant according to the evidence and the law. If you follow that oath and you try the issues in this case without fear or bias or prejudice or sympathy, then you will arrive at a true and just verdict. In fact, the word verdict comes from two Latin words, veritas and dictum, to speak the truth. And that's what we're going to ask you to do in this case. So with that, I'll turn things over to the prosecutor. This is for the judge to look at.
Thursday, June 25th, 2015, almost 2 years ago now.
She noticed that her dog had found a tightly knitted trash bag on the beach, and the dog was circling around and around and sniffing at the bag. Ms. Flynn went to try to get someone to help her. She had a sinking feeling that something wasn't right about that bag. She couldn't find anyone to help her, so she went back to the bag, and using a shell that she retrieved from the beach, cut the bag open ever so slightly. What she found was the lifeless body of a young child. As sometimes unpredictable as Bella's life might be, the evidence will show that her mother loved the girl and was doing her best within her limits to provide her with a stable home in September of 2015. Initially, Ms. Bond liked the defendant very much. She thought he was intelligent. She thought he was interesting. She was particularly fascinated with his interest in the supernatural.